Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review. Today we've got something truly special to unbox, the Jordan 5 Retro Awake New York Arctic Pink. This pair isn't just a sneaker, it's a statement, and I can't wait to show you what makes it such a standout release. Let's dive right into the box and see what we're working with. Right away, you notice the premium feel. The Arctic Pink suede upper immediately pops with its bold yet stylish look. As I take these out, you can see how smooth and vibrant the material is. This is the kind of sneaker that turns heads the second you step outside. The detailing here is incredible. You've got the sleek black accents on the midsole, tongue, and lace system, which create the perfect contrast with that pink. On the side, the translucent mesh panels carry the classic Jordan 5 design language we all love, while reflective elements on the tongue make these stand out even more when the light hits them. Now check out the midsole clean white with the signature shark tooth pattern in red. That sharp design gives it an aggressive edge while staying true to the original Jordan 5 DNA. And underneath, that icy translucent outsole adds a modern finish, giving you both grip and style. What makes this pair even more special is the Awake New York collaboration. You'll see the Awake branding alongside the Jumpman, making this not just another Jordan, but a true collector's piece. If you're a true sneaker enthusiast or a fashion lover always on the hunt for the next big find, then COLLAB is a destination you'll definitely want to check out. This site has built a solid reputation for offering a wide selection of high-quality sneakers and fashion essentials, ranging from the latest hyped-up Jordans and Yeezys to timeless streetwear staples that never go out of style. What sets COLLAB apart is its commitment to authenticity and customer satisfaction. You can shop with confidence knowing every item is carefully sourced and verified. Beyond the product range, the site really shines when it comes to its customer-friendly policies. Prices are refreshingly affordable, making premium fashion accessible to more people, and the checkout process is completely secure with multiple trusted payment options. Plus, their fast and reliable shipping ensures your items get to you quickly, and if you ever need help, their responsive customer service team is always ready to assist. For anyone looking to upgrade their sneaker rotation or elevate their wardrobe without the hassle, COLLAB is the perfect go-to. It combines style, trust, and convenience in a way that makes